How to create TikTok video. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, you can choose a time limit for your video as shown. For example, select 10 minutes. Then tap and hold the capture button to record a video. Tap on the tick button beside when you're done recording. Here, you can edit the videos as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Now you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily create TikTok video.